Hey, how's it going? It's Karen, and you're here because you're asking the question, is there a business I can start online that's low cost and make good money? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a 100% legitimate business online that's been around for 6 years. It's a debt-free company, so you can be rest assured that it'll be around for a long time. And yes, with this business, you have the potential to make good money, like 100K per year residual, and that's entirely possible. I'm excited to share this with you because this can work even if you're someone who's completely brand new, someone who's not technical, and if you're someone who has never had results before. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to reveal this to you right now. Now, I started this business about 3 months ago, and the funny thing is I'm not promoting this on the front end, but offer it to people who cannot afford my high ticket product. So I haven't really started marketing this yet, but the potential to earn good money is there, believe me. Let me go ahead and refresh this. You can see what I made since I started, and you can see that I've had some $400 days, over $500 days, $100 days, and some $100 days. So what is this business? It's called the all-in-one $25 digital business. So with this business, you only need 2 sales to be in profit for life. And the goal is to hit 100K per year in 12 months or less. And that is possible with just 1 to 2 sales a week. And I'm going to talk about the products here in just a minute. You're going to get a proven multi-million-dollar sales system that's done for you, and you're going to be able to earn 80% commissions. And again, the goal is to create a $100,000 year residual income. So you'll get $20 per customer who gets the all-in-one $25 business, plus another $100 per month for every customer who gets the HBA premium product. So you'll get up to $120 per month per customer. So that can definitely add up. And you can see that just one sale turns into $74,800 per year. So you generate all-in-one business customer per week who remains a customer monthly, and that is up to $62.40 per month just with one single sale per week. 2 sales per week can turn into $149,760 per year. So you just generate 2 all-in-one business customers per week who remain monthly customers, and that's up to $12,480 per month. And if you get 3 sales, and just 3 sales turns into $224,640 per year. So if you generate 3 all-in-one business customers per week who remain monthly customers, that's up to $18,720 per month. So you can see that this is low cost, but you can really make good money with this business. There is an FTC disclaimer right here. You can read through that. And then you're going to have automation tools, community, personal mentoring, and you can create unlimited income streams online for life. But what do you get for this $25 a month? Honestly, I've done hundreds of product reviews on this channel, and I've not come across anything that gives you the value you get here for $25. You'll get the Funnel Builder automation tool, the Funnel Builders Academy, the 30-day workday formula, the Freedom Launchpad course, and done for you $1 million page templates that convert traffic to leads and leads to sales. You'll also get the ultimate traffic swipe file, so you can ethically steal secret money-making traffic. So you'll know in minutes exactly what traffic produces the sales. You'll get instant traffic avalanche, and that's going to show you how to get an avalanche of perfect customers in 24 hours or less, and how to get in front of 100K people in the next 24 hours or less. If you're ready to get started right now with me, just click the link below this video. It'll take you to a short video telling you a little bit more about this low-cost business, and then there's a link there to get started. Also, exactly where to find billions of visitors to any offer for pennies, and the ultimate email swipe file. Also, 3 simple emails that you type one time and turn leads into sales by one of the world's top email copywriters. And then something that I consider invaluable is live personal help and community whenever you need it, 24 hours per day. And when I say you'll never be alone, there is somebody here to help you all the time. This is the most amazing group of entrepreneurs. You will absolutely love them. They also have daily Grow Rich live masterminds. And what I really love too is a portion of every sale is given to starving children all over the world. So it's great to know that every sale that you make, a portion of that is going to feed children. And I did want to mention before I show you the products, the 2 co-founders are Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs, and I've known both of these gentlemen for years, and I can't say enough good things about them as far as their integrity and how generous they are and how helpful they are. So this company is built on integrity. Like I said before, it's a 6-year-old company, and it's debt free. So it's going to be around for a long time. It's not going to be like these companies that come and go all the time. There's just so much community here and so much support for you to have success. So let's take a look at the products real quick. The Funnel Builders Academy is where you can learn how to build a sales funnel. Now, when you come in, it's step-by-step done for you. You can just use their funnel that they already create, but if you want to create your own funnels, you can do that. They have training. You can see that you can join the community. It shows exactly how to set up the funnel builder. And there's all kinds of things that you can do, just like you could do in ClickFunnels, only for a fourth of the cost. You can create membership sites, video hosting, and then there is live mastermind coaching. And then the HBA Premium is the traffic training, and you can see what's included in here. They do free traffic, they do paid, how to convert your leads into sales, and then you also get live coaching. And the Financial Literacy Academy is going to show you how to get out of debt and how to use your money and make it work for you. It'll show you how to get out of debt, how to reduce your taxes, and guerrilla money strategies. You can see what's in here: car flipping, passive power profits with mobile homes. So Paul shares how he got out of debt and how he was able to invest in mobile homes and make profits every single month. And that's how you do it, is you have money working for you. And they share and they teach exactly how to do that in this product. It's amazing. And then the Affiliate Zone shows you exactly step by step how to set up your lead capture page, how to connect it to your autoresponder. They do have it done for you. It's $49 to get it set up. So if you have problems with the technical part of it, I mean, the community is there for you, but if you just want somebody to help you set it up, you can do that. So I wanted to also include the frequently asked questions in the description below this video, because Paul is going to go through step by step the products, how the compensation plan works. Does it really work? Will it work for me? How much time does it take? Are there any other costs? Will I get leads? Will I get help? How often do I get paid? You get paid every Friday. How I get paid? I get mine direct deposited into my bank account, but you can get paid different ways as well. How is it different? What countries can you promote it in? Who started it? This is going to talk about Paul and Mike. And why did they start it? It's a really good story as to why they started it, because they had so many problems with the companies that they were with. They wanted to create a company that had everything that they wished that they had had. Is it debt-free? Yes, we talked about that. Is it something I can count on long-term? I absolutely believe you can. And what if I don't have the money to get started? So they talk about all of that. And then you can click here to get started at any time. Also, I have a link in the description below this video to get started as well. So the value that you get with the $25 all-in-one business is absolutely incredible. And I recommend that you just get started, because this is the best recurring income that I've ever seen, and it can definitely add up. And that's what you want, is that money coming in every single month for the work that you've done one time. So I hope you can see that this is a low-cost business where you can make good money. Products are amazing. The support is here for you to have success. And so if this is a good fit for you, click the first link in the description below this video to get started right now. Now, if you decide to purchase all the products, I do have some amazing bonuses for you, including paying for your whole system to be set up. And I have some really exciting marketing strategies that has allowed me to get over 40K followers on TikTok and some really great views on Instagram Reels, because short form video is where it is right now, and you can get so much traffic to your offer. So click the link below this video to get started today.